Assalamu alaikum dear doctors. In this video we are solving task case number 24, question number 2. The question is telling us that you see a 9-month-old girl of African descent who has been referred to you because of painful finger swelling. You diagnose dactylitis and suspect underlying sickle cell disease, which is confirmed by electrophoresis. Her mother Brenda has always been well. You have an electrophoresis result of the father's Adam on the hospital computer system that tells you that he is not a carrier. Adam tells you that Brenda has recently fallen pregnant again. The question number 2 is, a man has an X-linked monogenetic disease with complete penetrance. Looking at the family tree below, what is the risk of his daughter having the disease? So, if you read the explanation, there is written, as a man, the father only has a single copy of the X chromosome and therefore carries one copy of the mutated gene and no other copy of the gene. His wife carries two normal copies of the gene. Each parent passes on a single sex chromosome to their pregnancy. Mothers always supply an X chromosome, therefore the sex of the offspring will tell us which sex chromosome father supplied. Sons always receive a Y chromosome from their father and daughter always receive the X chromosome. Their daughter will therefore always inherit a mutated copy of the gene from the father. If the gene defect is dominant, her chance of having the disease would there be 100%. If the gene defect is recessive, she will not have the disease. So they are telling that X-linked monogenetic disease, complete penetrance, family tree they given, what is the risk of daughter having his disease, father's disease. So in answer they are telling that is B number 100% if it is a dominant gene defect. So in this case, if X-linked recessive condition only we know that boys are affected, not daughter will be affected. If the son they mention, then that is affected, X-linked recessive condition. But in case of X-linked dominant conditions, we know that there is if the pedigree there all the girls are affected from the father. So 100% it is a dominant gene defect. If dominant gene defect, then 100% will be the daughter affected from his father in X-linked dominant conditions, not recessive. Recessive only boy is affected, not girls. Please do subscribe and share my channel everyone. Thank you very much.